Now, when something is brought forward in the Arabic language, it shows that it shows ikhtisas, it shows speciality to that thing. And that thing is special. And one of the meanings that we gain from that is that what is called qasr. Qasr is that you are saying that this object can be the only object of that action,
Mm.
right? So you're saying Iyyaka na'budu, because we brought the kaf in front, because we say Iyyaka in front when it's supposed to be at the back, then that brings out the meaning of that only Allah Azza wa Jal should be worshipped. Only you should be worshipped. Now, if it was the way at the back there, how would we say it, Sheikh?
Na'buduka.
Yeah, we would say na'buduka. But
Mhm.
because it's separated and brought in front, we add in front of it the letters Iyya, Iyyaka. So Iyyaka basically is you. And where did we get alone? You alone. Where did you get that alone from?
Is to the structure of the sentence.
The structural nature of the sentence when the Iyyaka was brought from behind uh, na'budu to in front of it.
Mhm.
Right? So Iyyaka na'budu. So you alone do we humble ourselves before, submit to, and worship, and affirm as our only Lord. Right? You
Mhm.
alone do we fear and place our hope in. So these are all meanings of worship.